Hello, Jessica here from Procana headquarters with a product spotlight on our whole plant extract soft gels. Over the past 7 years, we have developed 2 whole plant extract formulas for all tolerance needs, Hemp Spectrum and Hemp Excel. These formulas are full spectrum, which means these soft gels are rich in all the valuable compounds found in the hemp plant. Why would someone choose whole plant hemp extract to other pure isolated CBD products? This is a great question. Procana's whole plant hemp extract options are truly Mother Nature's blend. Some users prefer whole plant hemp extract, also known as full spectrum, compared to pure CBD because they include terpenes, cannabinoids, essential fatty acids, and phytonutrients derived from the hemp plant, including trace amounts of cannabinoids such as CBD and CBG. The common belief that the synergy of these paired cannabinoids and other plant compounds lend to the entourage effect. The entourage effect offers great benefits for some customers compared to pure CBD. Our hemp spectrum formula contains 1,500 milligrams of whole plant extract in each bottle. This is our regular strength option with 50 milligrams of whole plant extract, including 6 milligrams of pure CBD per soft gel. Our Hemp Excel formula contains 3,000 milligrams of whole plant extract in each bottle. This is our extra strength option containing 100 milligrams of whole plant extract, including 12 milligrams of pure CBD per soft gel. Let's review the benefits of Procana's pharmaceutical grade gel capsules. Our soft gels are easy, discreet, and consistent, offering a controlled dose in each capsule. They are sugar-free, gluten-free, and keto-friendly. Here at Procana, we take pride in transparency, which is why we make sure our labels are easy to read and clearly define ingredients and serving size instructions. Each and every batch of Procana products are in-house and third-party lab tested to ensure purity and potency. All certificates of analysis are available on Procana.com. Have questions? We would love to hear from you. Give us a call on our customer support line found on Procana.com.